Hi guys, what I have in front of me is pretty much a ChatGPT like interface, and this is the Open Web UI interface. So what I can do here is I can go to a new chat and we can select a model. Let's go to Mistral 7B model and let's say show me a code snippet of a website's sticky header in CSS and JavaScript. So we can see this outputs. It is pretty fast, and what I wanted to show in this video is how to create this interface using an instance of Ollama, which is hosted on the clouds using Salad GPUs. Now Salad provides so many different options of cloud hosting, and it's the most affordable cloud of AI ML. This video is sponsored by Salad, but I've gone through the use cases and I've tested out so many things because they have sent me some $500 of credits, and to test everything out, it was an amazing experience and I have tested so many use cases. This is one of them. So let me show you everything, and then I will let you have a call of how this cloud hosting would be for your customers. Now ultimately you can have a tool, you can have a set, you can send this open.webui to your clients and let them install on their system, and for the LLM part, instead of using their own local systems, you can let them run the Ollama instance that you have hosted on the cloud. So if I'm clear till there, let me close up everything and show everything from the start. So I have a Docker running as well, which runs the web UI interface. So I'm going to close everything and then start. So I'm going to delete this, and let's go to the Salad cloud as well. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to delete the cloud as well, the instance of Ollama which is running. So just delete it, the cloud as well. Okay, next we go to the interface which is running. We close that as well. So we have a fresh slate now, and now let's get started. So the first and foremost thing that we need to do is to go to salad.com, use cases. Here you can see image generation, we can have voice AI, computer vision, data collection. But what I'm more interested is, I will make a few videos on this, but in this video let's focus on what we have already stated. We want to make a web UI, open web UI interface, run this interface using Ollama instance hosted in the cloud. So we go back to the page, salad.com, deploy on Salad, and then you need to log in. After login, you need to create an organization. So I've already created an organization of mine. So the name of the organization is Prompt Engineer 48. After I created this organization, I switch to this organization. Once I switch to this organization, let me delete this instance as well so that we can have a fresh start. So we have nothing here. Now we can view the recipes that I have, which means these are pre-made templates of different LLMs. For example, we have let's take anyone. Let's take Falcon 7B Instruct. So here we can start up this instance and you can run this for $0.282 per hour. Okay, just configure and deploy, and you can just put in your name here. Let's say Falcon 7B Instruct. Replica count, how many instances do you want? So let's put it 1, and let's click on deploy. So this name is, you need to put in smaller characters, so Falcon, and click on deploy. So this will be deployed, Falcon 7B will be deployed. This is preparing the instance, and you can use the Falcon 7B Instruct with the help of this access domain. So this is not we're interested, so I'm gonna go back what I'm more interested and I'm going to show you is if we go to deploy new container group, and inside this container group we are going to deploy the Ollama installation. So I'm gonna name this as Ollama, let's say YouTube, and in the image source I'm going to click on edit. Here I'm going to paste in Ollama image. This is the image which is hosted on the Docker hub by Ollama, and then we're going to click on configure. So we are going to select the number of vCPUs. Let's put in 16 here. How much memory do you want to allocate? Let's put the highest one, which is 30 GB here. How much would you like to allocate some GPUs? So for the GPUs I'm gonna go with this high demand 24 GB and one more, let's take this RTX 4090, and you can even take one more RTX 3090. So we have the total cost comes out to be 0.394 per hour. So we have other configurations like a startup probe to checking the status of the container that is running, liveness probe. We can have networking. This is something we want. So in the networking, if you remember, Ollama runs on 11434 port. So we're gonna put the port here. We click on configure. We can set the environment variables as well, but in this case it's okay, we don't need. So we click on deploy here, and once you click on deploy, I'm gonna just keep a unique name. So click on deploy. So once you click on deploy, this is starting up, it's preparing, then it's going to load up everything and get everything up and running in some time. So this is allocating, so you can just click here and see. So allocating, the next status will be to download, then to create, and then to run. So until and unless we have this status, it is still preparing your instance of Ollama. So this is downloading 14%. So in the meantime, what we can do is I can go ahead to Visual Studio Code and prepare a script for you that will help me test the endpoint that we have received. So this is the endpoint. So we just copy this endpoint and go to my GitHub, go to my Visual Studio Code editor and paste it here. So we have this code from Ollama import client, and client equal to client host. We put in that host, and client.pull, we pull this model, let's say llama 2. So I save this, and then I start up an instance, I start up an environment. So I say conda create -n, what do we have, -n, then we say salad, maybe salad1 python 3.11 and -y. So this is going to create a new conda environment in the name of salad1. Then we are going to test this out. So we go back to salad and see if it's ready or not. So this is ready, this is running. So we have this Ollama YouTube 1, which is an instance of the Ollama, which is running on the cloud at $0.3 per hour, and you can just see the price here if we just click on edit. So that's $0.394 per hour, and this is running. We can use the endpoint. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code Editor. This is still installing. In the meantime, what I can do is I'm going to start up the Docker. Oh, okay, this is started. So we'll say conda activate salad1, and I'm just going to install few things, just one thing, install Ollama. We've installed Ollama. So this, you can just start up the instance of Ollama, install the library here. Now what I can do is just test this out. So it's a python main.py. Let's see. So this is pulling up the model Ollama 2, and let it pull. Next, let's go to the Open Web UI GitHub page. If we just scroll down, we can see that they have already created a Docker, and you just need to run this. So to connect to Ollama in another server, so our server is somewhere here in the Salad cloud, and if you have another server, change the Ollama base URL. So this URL example.com, we need to change with this URL that we have here, and that should do it. So first of all, we need to start up the Docker desktop. So Docker desktop is running now. Then what we need to do is just copy this docker run. We go to the main.py here, or we can just open up a new you can just put it anywhere. So let me go to different instance. So we need to copy this. So copy this, paste it here. Next we copy this URL and we go back to the Ollama base URL. So remove this one, and instead of this we paste in the URL of the Salad cloud. So just press enter. This will start up your whole system, and you can see that the Docker is running here. So we have this. Next, let's see if our main.py is ready. So it seems Llama 2 was downloaded, but to check that out, we can go to the localhost 3000 port. So we go to Google. Is this working? Wow, this works. Okay, so we need to authenticate. We just put in a login. So you can just log in, or I have already created the login, so you can use that login. I think if it should work. Let's see. Okay, you're logged in now, and now we are brought here in the Open Web UI page. So here since we have already downloaded the model, it's available here. Now to download more models, we can go to the settings button here, and then we go to the models here. You can see that we can pull in more models. So for example, you can pull in Mistral 7B model here, and just press enter or press here, and you can see it's pulling the manifest and it's trying to pull the model. Okay, it's able to pull the model, and this setup is ready. Now if I am able to explain it clearly, we have an Ollama instance which is running on the cloud at 0.3 something dollars per hour, and what you can do is you can just to run this Docker command along with the changed Ollama base URL here, and the customer is going to be able to use up different models here. That puts the pressure of running the models or choosing the LLM from your local system to the cloud. And it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing how systematic and integrated this is, and how easy it is to set up the Salad cloud and run this instance. You can keep this instance running and let your customers enjoy the benefits. Now Mistral 7B has been downloaded successfully. Now if the new model, new chat, you can see that the Mistral 7B has been added, and I can just help me study, and you can see the speed of inference. It is not related or dependent on my local system. So as human beings, we want flexibility. We wanted Ollama to run in our own local system, but then we realized that we wanted to host this as well. So this is the solution for hosting. Now if your next question is to host the entire Open Web UI, that is also possible, but that is for the next video on Salad. But yeah, I think you like this video. We have, to summarize everything, we have Ollama running on Salad, and we just run the Docker command for running the Open Web UI interface, and we have successfully connected the Ollama running on Salad clouds with the Open Web UI, and we have downloaded the model as well. We have tested the model as well. Now you can go to Ollama models. Also, I have a model known as Hermes 2 Pro. We can download this as well. So prompt Hermes 2 Pro. You can go to settings here, go to models, put it here and download. So you can download your custom models as well. Please check out the previous video of mine where I have created this, uploaded this Hermes 2 Pro on my system. Well, this brings to the end of this video. And this is Salad. This video has been sponsored by Salad, and it's not about this sponsorship. This is really cool. This feature is really cool and I really liked it. So I'll bring in more videos, although those will not be sponsored. But since I have the credits that they have released for me, about $500 credit, so I will be bringing in more and more videos and show you different use cases that you can do with Salad. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Watch out these other videos of mine. Thank you.